just really heartened to see so many whānau have come to support what happened and to support the recipient of the photograph.
The opportunity to see our wahine where the focus is just on them, it's great. The way in which our tikanga privilege men over women most of the time with speaking and other things, it's just nice to see the focus on them.
It's really nice. I like my photo.
It's my birthright, and it's something you can't even really put words to it. You know, it comes from a place that's so deep and so old and ancient. It's just a part of who I am.
Having Pūkauae was something that I knew I wanted. My earliest memory was when I was about 4 years old. So I guess for me it means walking my life with my tūpuna.
This is about another clear signal about our recovery and how we can go about doing it as whānau Māori, and the importance of certainly images like this to encourage our tamariki mokopuna that this is normal and this is what we really look like.
There were many challenges that we had to work through, and that was making sure that we could light the wahine in a way that we could still see them in the background. So, and the logistics of carrying equipment into the bush, strong winds, rain sometimes, freezing cold conditions, to name a few, but it was absolutely worth it.